In the expansive journey of life, we embark on a quest for success, aiming to reach our goals and fulfill the dreams that kindle our souls. However, have you ever deeply contemplated the notion that success is often compelled into being? This assertion, though seemingly concise, holds a profound truth that demands our meticulous consideration and introspection. Success does not effortlessly emerge or organically materialize. It demands an immense exertion of effort, an unwavering dedication, and at times, a propulsion beyond the boundaries of our comfort zones. When we are compelled to confront challenges and overcome obstacles, we unearth our genuine potential and acquire the ability to achieve feats that once seemed unattainable. One means by which success emerges as a result of compulsion lies in external pressure. Whether it is the intense competition in the professional sphere, the societal expectations that weigh upon us, or the imperative to provide for ourselves and our beloved families, these external forces serve as powerful catalysts, driving us to work assiduously and strive for greater achievements. Faced with the pressure to perform, we are compelled to rise to the occasion and give our finest efforts. Yet, it is not solely external pressure that gives rise to success. Internal motivation also plays a pivotal role. When we possess a resolute desire to succeed, a burning passion for what we undertake, or a profound sense of purpose, we are more likely to propel ourselves towards the pinnacle of our goals. This internal drive enables us to transcend self-doubt, conquer fear, and overcome the vice of procrastination, compelling us to take resolute action despite the hardships that lie ahead. Another vital aspect of success being compelled into manifestation is the ability to adapt and evolve. In a constantly transforming world, we must be predisposed to embrace new ideas, acquire new skills, and adapt to ever-changing circumstances. This may entail venturing beyond our comfort zones and taking risks, but it is only through this process that we can expand and develop. However, forcing success does not imply being harsh on ourselves or subjecting ourselves to undue stress. It involves setting realistic goals, taking calculated risks, and finding the right balance between pushing ourselves forward and taking care of our well-being. It is essential to recognize our limitations and avoid expecting perfection from ourselves. To compelled success, here are several tips to follow. 1. Clearly define your goals. Articulate precisely what you aim to achieve and break them down into manageable steps. 2. Cultivate a strong work ethic. Embrace discipline, consistency, and an unwavering commitment to your objectives. 3. Embrace challenges. See them as opportunities for growth and learning. 4. Learn from failure. Use setbacks as stepping stones for improvement and progress. 5. Build a support system. Surround yourself with positive and supportive individuals. 6. Keep your motivation alive. Discover ways to keep your passion and drive burning. 7. Continuously learn and grow. Stay updated with the latest knowledge and skills. In conclusion, success is forced into being. It requires us to face challenges, break through the limitations of our comfort zones, and adapt to change. By clearly defining our goals, cultivating a strong work ethic, and maintaining motivation, we can compel our own success and achieve the endeavors that we hold dear in life. Remember, success does not happen overnight, but with perseverance and hard work, it is within our reach. So, let us embrace this compulsion and strive for success in every aspect of our existence.